Hello, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, find File Manager, and thanks to File Manager we've got access to internal storage of your phone, nearby share function, thanks to which you can send and receive files quickly, clean function, thanks to which you can clean junk files from the smartphone, and trash, thanks to which you can find recently deleted files. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.